tonight we're fixing the Fast Flips Fiesta. So what we're going to do is we're going to put an engine in it. So what we've done is got one 140 quid. It was cheaper than getting all parts for Ed. So yeah, we'll do a quick video and show you, and then we'll get it sold. Right, so first hurdle we've got no locking wheel nuts, so we're going to break them off, and then hopefully it should be plain sailing. Right, so what we're doing first, taking front end off. We did have a problem with locking wheel nuts, but we've knocked them off. They come off quite easy, to be fair. So front end off, then we'll carry on and we'll see what's next. Right, so engine's ready to come out. A few bolts and it should be on pallet. We've got a bit of an issue because we can't get onto one of the mountains, but we'll be alright. See what happens. Touch your toes. Them three, we're doing them two or them three? Just do them two. But you'll all be happy to know I ain't got Crocs on. Are they stealing? Yeah, still not careful. Can I send her up? Yeah. Just gotta watch that exhaust. That's one side out. This side's still. Hold on. Alright, undo that here. Lower that down a bit. I'll just take that bolt out of there. I'll do it out. Send it over. We can't because we've got to get exhaust going, we have to pull it forward. Yeah, I know, but we need to pull it forward, don't we? So we'll get a bit of rope around pallet and I'll pull it forward. Woo! Easy, it's lightweight.
It's in process, swapping everything over now. We'll get some videos and we'll see if it starts. As you can see, the engine is now out. There is a live on YouTube if you want to watch that getting took out. Sound that, we're just going to get it fire, see if it runs, so we don't know the engine, so it has had timing belt done, oil filter done, spark plug done, so fingers crossed. What we say, Ken?
Fire straight up.
That's like that, don't I?
We just jinxed it now, like.
Eh?
We jinxed it now.
Yeah, I know. Bit jump back over here. There.
Couple more. Told him to stay out. Any fuel in it? There you go.
Raising up. So there we go. It runs, so me and Callum are just going to carry on now. Dart shaft in, back mount on, exhaust on, and then put front end on. Right, there we go guys. It's all back together. New engine's in. It's running. Me and Callum just running it up to temperature. All stable, no leaks. Yeah, it's another one of the fast flips. Keep an eye out. We'll keep doing them. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Right, so we're back on with Fiesta. So engine's all in, it's all running, all faults have cleared. There's no faults on it at all now. So basically, it's just a quick polish now, inspection, check it all over, then it should be up for sale.
Get it MOT, 12 months MOT,
yeah,
service it.
Got 30 days left on it, I think. So
yeah, we'll get it tested and we'll do it. That pops up, but we're going to inspect it and then nothing else should appear.
Well, yeah, it's run sweet. It's not done it. It's good. It's made a right little car, to be fair.
So cheap car if anyone wants it.
So we've had a quick look under the Fiesta. To be honest, it's all in pretty good nick, isn't it, Josh?
Yeah, there ain't nothing stands out. All springs are good, all shockers are good, tyres are good.
Bushers look alright, brake pipes all look alright. Lower arm bushers look alright, plenty of life on brakes. Tyres are all good.
No oil leaks.
Nothing dramatic. It is a cheap car, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good little car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's hopefully it sells quick.
Hopefully. So Callum's been polishing the Fiesta. All nice and shiny. He's done a good job of that, mate, hasn't he?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's cool. Black in it, so it
Yeah.
shows everything. Yeah, really nice.
Some new microfibers we got him, I think. That's done the trick.
Don't mention microfibers in comments, so you will go off. It'll go off on one.
So that's this episode of the Fast Flips. It's done. Fiesta's complete. We valeted it, polished it all, gated check over, serviced it, put an engine in it, obviously. So that's this one going up for sale now. How long we had it? A week?
Yeah, something like that.
A week, so maybe just over, sourced an engine, fitted an engine. There we go. Let's make a good car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just need to get it sold and then we'll update everybody with
The next one,
the next one. And how
which
this
is
one
already
did.
here. Yeah. So thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe. Click the bell so you get a notification.
And comment. Comment, please. I love to argue with everyone in comments.
Mention no names.
No, I do love a beer, though.